Can you design an album in just a few minutes that's going to make you extra thousands of dollars? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that in Fundy Designer. In 2016, we launched the auto design, and it took the industry by storm because it was the only auto design tool that also gave you full control of your designs. You can hop into the auto design. You can choose how many pages you want to design, how many images, whether you want to only use your 5-star images, and you can also set the minimum and maximum images per spread. So it gives you a ton of control right there, and in just one click, you can design your entire album. But if you're a control freak, like many of us creatives are, you can hop into the image browser, and any photo that you want to be a double-page spread, just hit the P key or the panorama button. When you have a photo you want to be on that main image on either the left side of the page or the right side of the page, just hit the M key or that main image button. Also, that cover image is not going to be the first image in your stack, so you're going to want to hunt through your images and find that wow image that your client's going to love to be on the cover, and hit the C key or the cover button, and that'll put that cover image right on that cover for you. But when things get really interesting is we order all of your images by timestamp or file name, but oftentimes the bride and groom are getting ready at the same time and you have your assistant shooting that, and those images will get jumbled. Well, you can select which images you want to be on the same spread and hit the G key or the group key, and it'll group those images together and put those on the same spread. And you can do that throughout the entire album. So for the only auto design tool that gives you full control, head on over to fundydesigner.com and download the free trial.